Today's video is regarding Brother MFC-J995dw printer. So I'm going to show you how to unbox and quickly set up this printer. As you know, this printer comes with the ink which we can use for 1 year, as it says 1800 pages can be printed with that ink. So let's start with the unboxing. Once our printer is on, we just have to install the SetUp ink cartridges. So these are the ink cartridges we get, so just take them out of the packaging. To install the ink cartridges, simply we have to open the ink cartridge chamber door. So that is here, so push it. So start with the any ink cartridge on the one side, so M will go here. Make sure the nozzle, which you can see, goes down and the logo stays outside here. And it will lock itself. So it's very easy to install. You have to slide it in and it locks itself. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and go on the display panel. Here we have to click on the next button. So this is a touchscreen printer, you can just do things. Now it will take around 7 minutes for the setup to prepare the ink cartridges. So click on the next button. And that is PM. Click OK. If you want, you can update the apps, or if you don't, just click on no. Next step is to load the paper and press OK. So paper tray is at the bottom, so you just have to take out the whole panel and move it out, and you open this lid like this and adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheets here. Close it. Now it goes back in, and the paper output tray is here, so you just have to slide it in and press OK on the display panel. So it's printing a test page here. So it has printed the print quality check sheet. So we have to just check if all the lines are correct and in good condition, and then we have to click yes if everything is okay. And we also have to choose the image. So this is the one we see for each of the lines. If you want, you can print the installation instructions now. So this is the instruction page, and it shows how to use this printer. So some of the things, like if you want to use it for Windows, and if you want to use it for the iOS device and for other devices here, and to print and scan from your mobile devices. So all instructions are here. So here we can see we have finished the initial setup of our printer, and on the display screen we can see we have an option for the fax, copy, scan, and we can also print the photos, and there are lots of things here. Now I'll show you how to do the copy. So that is a quick test for this printer. Open the top scanner lid. Place a page facing downwards on the left hand side upper corner and go on the display panel to select color copy or black copy. We can also select the number of copies we want. So here is the copy icon, click on that. I want one copy, so color one, so that is the green here. Let's see how long it takes for the copy. So it's quite fast and the print quality is good. So it's very easy to use this printer and setup. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to set up this printer with the wireless network of your home or office. So again we have to go on the display panel, click on the home icon here, click on the setting icon which is here. Here we see Wi-Fi on the top, so click on the Wi-Fi, click on the setup wizard and it will ask if we want to enable it. Yes. It will search for the available wireless networks in your home or office. So you simply have to select the Wi-Fi network. Click OK. Enter the password. Once we enter the password, click OK. And just wait for the connection to set up. In case it's not connecting, you just have to make sure your printer is in a good Wi-Fi range. So once connection is successful, click OK. We also go on the home button again and you will see there is a blue icon. That means it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. So this way we can add this printer on our Wi-Fi network. From here, if you want, you can add it in any device and start using it for printing or scanning. For example, I have an iPhone here and I'm going to show you how to add in that so that we can do the wireless scanning. So open the Brother iPrint and Scan app. You can download it from the App Store. Click on the printer icon here. It will display your printer's name on the next screen because our printer and mobile is connected to the same home Wi-Fi network. So once you click, you will see your printer is available on the main screen. If you want, you can do updates and settings later on. Now I'll show you how to do the scanning. So open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards here. Click on the scan icon and click on the scan button. If you have more pages to scan, you can place, otherwise click on the done. And here we see the scan is perfectly nice, quality is really good. In the same way you can do printing, you can select any document you want to print. For example, if I want to print this one, so I select here, send a copy, click on the print icon and select your printer and click on the print button. So it's great, the printer is really fast in the printing. So overall I can say this is a very good printer, and you get this printer with the ink cartridges which can work up to 1 year. You can print around 1800 pages. It's quick in copy, quick in printing, quick in scanning, and it can easily connect to the Wi-Fi network of your home or office, and then you can start using it. Moreover, it has SD card slot here and a USB slot here, so you can use anything to print documents, photos. Even if you want to scan any item here, you can just directly click on the scan icon on the display panel and save it in the USB or SD card. So it's a very good printer, I can say, for home or office use. Thanks for watching.